So we've took the floor up and now we're going to attempt to take the ceiling down. We've got the kids helping us because they're back from uni.
Conversations about
What? Got the kids helping us because we're back from uni.
Okay, with the kids home from uni, busy helping, we finally managed to get the floor up. We're now about to tackle the next big job, which is going to be getting the roof out. Hopefully not as difficult as the floor. Okay, so we've finally got the floor up. The next big job is to tackle taking the roof out, which Alan is just about to start doing with the ceiling. Okay, well, the roof is
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah, carry on.
Okay. I don't think it will be anywhere near as bad as the floor.
I hope not.
I don't think
that
so
floor is
either.
awful. Oh, look at that.
Attic from it.
You could just sort of cut down it and then...
Yeah, I could, but then I ain't got anything to leverage on it. Just looking at that. Sharp edges on it.
Stand up. That Sikaflex don't seem to be half as stuck as on the floor.
Yeah, well, the fiberglass easier to.
Spoke too soon.
No, I don't think it'll be too bad once I get into it. I'm just tentatively looking.
Yeah. Why don't I multi-tool while you pull down on
I can
it?
do, yeah.
Oh, I want to.
Or Amber.
Or Amber then.
I'm doing this.
Amber wants to do everything
Yeah. Did you not know that?
in true Amber style. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to damage that.
I
too
know,
much.
it's already damaged.
I know.
Probably have to recover it anyway, Al.
Oh yeah. Probably taking it down. Right, so we've got when I can get up, we've got the ceiling down. A lot easier than the floor. About half a day it took us. My daughter was helping me.
Yeah!
All my son did was skateboard outside, but there you go.
I worked so hard.
So it's another day working on the van, and Abby's on the floor with a screwdriver, taking up bits of floor still. But today I'm going to tackle this wheel arch. Well, both, because someone's put some tops on the top of it, but they've just stuck them down and not cleaned up all the rust. And there's rust there. Look, it's coming through again here. So I've got to tidy these up and tidy up the rest of the floor as well before we put a flooring down. So I'll video some of it.
Across the sky into a black night. It makes me wonder as I look in your eyes. Am I falling under your spell? Earth moving beneath my feet, sky falling down on me. I wanna believe in miracles, in things I've never seen. Is it wishful thinking that the best is yet to come? Is it foolish to believe that we are over when we just begun? I can't help it, this feeling, trying to figure this out.
Morning, so it's Sunday morning and we're back on the van again, or I am at the minute. So I took these plates off the top of the wheel arches and cut them down level, cut the rust off, but there's still this rust here. I spoke to my mate who's got a similar van, he's also an MOTer, and he said, you want to cut, what I was going to do is just plate over them, and what he said, you want to cut the rust out as much as you can. So I'm going to cut it out and then put a plate over it. and then obviously paint it and treat it and seal it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Both sides the same, and round the other back as well. So I'm going to give it a go. So I'm going to cut some metal plates to weld on.
Wishful thinking. Don't lie. If you can feel it, then you can't deny. It's all around us if we listen closely. Love is raining, raining all around. Oceans rise and mountains fall. In the end, so will us all. I wanna know the mystery. What's making me fall? Is it wishful thinking that the best is yet to come? Is it foolish to believe that we are over when we've just begun? I can't help it, this feeling, trying to figure this out. Is it wishful thinking? Is it foolish to believe that we are over when we just begun? I can't help it, this feeling, trying to figure this out. Is it wishful thinking? Is it
So I've run out of welding wire, so I'm going to go to suppliers and go and get some. So back shortly. So got a couple more plates welded on. Can't wait to be ready to paint the floor and de-rust it and whatever. Okay, so I've finished welding inside the wheel arches. So I'm going to wire brush all this and crust it just in case, and seal it with seam sealer. So and hopefully that'll help keep any damp getting in and it rusting again before I underseal it and stuff. Right, I'll leave that stuff to work its magic, whatever that magic is it does, and then I'll seal the joins. Right, I'm going to use this stuff. Don't know whether it's any good, but it's the stuff that's supposed to be for the job, so I'm going to use this. I'm not worried if it's a bit messy, because I just want it sealed so no water can get in and rust it. So we'll give it a go and see how good it is. I'll probably get in a right mess with it. An old trusty silicone gun. Much runnier than I thought. Go and get a rag or a brush. Right, I got my brush. See if I can make this a little bit better. Very runny. I didn't realise it was this runny. I have actually got some paint on stuff as well. So if this doesn't work, if I'm not happy with it, I'll use the paint on stuff. At least this you can squeeze it in, I suppose, in all the nooks and crannies. I'm sure when I get used to it, I'll get a technique. So that's that side done. I'm got in a right mess with it, but plenty on it. So hopefully that will seal it up. So I'll probably leave that video there. I'm absolutely covered in the black stuff, which is really difficult to get off, which means it's very waterproof. So hopefully it'll do the job. Please subscribe and follow, and see you next time.